So as you guys can see, I am in the 33 today. I am sweating like a priest in a preschool, a whore in a whorehouse. It is just hot. I let my aunt borrow the Prius to do some home things, doing a bunch of home stuff, so I got to be around for that. So today I am going to be taking the 33 to my friend Johnny Mancuso's shop so we can go over it, because I'm taking this thing to San Francisco. Yes, I'm driving it all the way there. You may be thinking that's not a smart idea. I've driven this car up there before, but this is like one last hurrah before I try to switch to the 85, which will hopefully be in a couple weeks. So I'm driving to a shop. I got some new coilovers in the trunk that Derek have the preset, so I'm trying to put those on if he has room at the shop. So stay tuned with me, and I'm going to be going down there. Everyone's tired. You got to be that guy. I kid you not. Another one. Is this dumb driver day, bro? Damn, I can't, bro. Shoot, dang. So my boy Johnny Mancuso, nice enough to let me use his lift at his shop. Blitz coilovers that I got from Bay 32 Performance. So they're already preset. So the only shitty thing about this whole thing is the fronts are gonna be semi-easy, just the rear. I have this panel, so I gotta take out the seats and all that good stuff. So what I'll really see me do stuff. So now it's gotta just get in the air, and I'm happy actually let me use the lift. So let's get to low enough. Yeah, just right. Gotta set it up. There's jacking points under there. For all you, the question is why I registered my car in a different state than here. There's numerous rumors. I could either tell you the truth or lie to you. Just to be quite honest, it's just way cheaper to register a car like this out of state. You figure I pay what you would pay for registration in California. I would pay that. Added up, I figure 1 year of registration for this car in California, I could pay a good 4 years of registration. And I have to only register this thing car like me 3 times a year, so do the math. So better pop all this out, man. I gotta take out this damn seat. Boy.
When you get to shoot some fireballs, it's hotter.
How hot does it need to be?
A little right over. Yeah, it's actually right around the temperature it needs to be.
For what it is, it's loud, but it's quiet, if that makes sense.
If it gets to about 90, it'll start popping fireballs.
Shit.
Because the mufflers themselves, I mean, the engine's so close to the exhaust that it starts to channel through, and the mufflers themselves are so hot that exhaust gases, and it runs a little rich. So you imagine a little bit of fuel makes the bang.
Boy. It sounds good.
That's when you change the modes right there.
What mode is that?
That's just regular Strata, which is like sport. And then you got the little louder sport.
Okay.
And then you got the race mode. That's Corsa. Corsa's race. So you got sport, Corsa, and Strata, which is street. Street's the quietest.
That sport and that regular mode make a big ass difference.
Yeah, it's got baffles inside the exhaust. The Capistro engineering muffler, that thing's beautiful. But that's about $25,000 exhaust for this car.
Damn.
Yeah.
Boy, this man, 1,000 skills, never rest.
Like that. Oh yeah, I think the clamp go like that. Make it get triangle right.
As long as nobody moves this door. That sticker though. split for your boy real quick somehow.
Where's that mount?
Boy, that's perfect.
That work?
It works.
We could shorten it so it doesn't have like such a diving board defect.
As long as the door doesn't move. Oh,
and it still doesn't defeat the purpose of it. It's still a drink holder.
So this is made to hold drinks.
It's made to hold drink cans, actually, of lubricant or whatever the hell you want, or your drink. You could.
So we have devised. You can see. I just watched. He has made this beautiful contraption. Boom. And now you can see. I mean, what can you see me?
Yeah.
Is it crooked? No, it's good. All right. Everything is recording. You see me?
Yeah, it's recording.
So Johnny just informed me that this is blown. There's oil dripping everywhere out of this thing, and it is about time due to get it replaced. So good thing I am replacing it. So unfortunately, it is done. He said I can get this rebuilt, right? Yeah, he says I can get it rebuilt, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna just replace it with a new one. So try to clean up what I've done here, and hopefully we can continue. So, new one's on. This one's done. These are the new daddies. Got the new one on there. I'm going to torque all these down just because to get it on. But it looks good. Hopefully the hood closes, but you see the Blitz logo on there. Boy, I still got to put I only got one on them, so I'm so stoked. But yeah, we're going to get the rest of these on and see what's up. So, goal is once we tune back in, see how the car looks lowered, and get the time lapse going. Most of this time drilling out the back to get this. There's a panel that goes back there so you don't see all the wacky stuff. This is the panel. I just spent a majority of my time drilling out. I'm sweaty. Got metal shears on me. But finally, I just got to take off these back wheels. I'll show y'all what I got to do. The fronts are on. But damn it, I'm going to get around this. Gotta go around this goddamn French door. Yeah. Heavy breathing, yes. But I think this is just like S14, where everything is back here. As you can see, I have to get back there through that, through this, and it's just luckily it's just 2 bolts and 1 bolt, so we can get it done. Mr. Mancuso has been a big help. He's been a help. Mr. Mancuso has been helping. Garrett's been washing cars. He's a professional detailer here. We've got some bucket stuff. So I had to take out the seat. Everything's out. There's a fan that goes here. Coilovers are finally, it'll go around. Everything is in.
Well, it starts as soon as I get that front
There's
wheel
the
gate
air.
here.
Johnny, help me. Let's see if you can see it from here. Yup. You can see him. All this juice from me. But yeah, I think I'm going to have Alvin clean the headlights, and then we're done. Let them settle in. Probably adjust them when I get to San Francisco. So the coilovers on. I'm super excited. It feels way better. Doesn't handle like an Indiana Jones ride at Disneyland. It feels like it's amazing now. So right now, I have the car. I'm just happy. Unfortunately, I got a call. Bill Chan let me know that the show that was supposed to go to the weekend was canceled, and it's been postponed till August 18th, which is better. I can get the car more dialed in and everything. So it's always one thing. You fix one thing, I don't know. It's just a thing with project cars. You fix one thing, next thing goes out. So I got to go through some more stuff through the car, but feels great. ride smooth. That's all I care about right now. Going to let it settle in. Then I'm gonna probably lower the car a little bit more. It's got like, to give you give you a just of how high it is. It's like 2.5 fingers in the back, 2.5 all around fingers, I guess, to give it a Philly go. So I'm just happy. So thank you for watching. Johnny Mancuso, thank you for helping me. Blvd32 Performance, thank you for helping with the parts. That's one of my sponsors. Johnny Mancuso is a great guy. Those are two different people, by the way. My Uncle Jack runs Blvd32 Performance. Johnny Mancuso has, I think, I forgot the name. It was just European. I'll put it somewhere in the description below. But he helped me out. He let me borrow a lift there. He's got all the tools, more than willing to help me out. And I appreciate you, Johnny. Thank you if you're watching this. I appreciate you a lot. I'm probably going to be doing more things with him because he's closer to the house for me. I've been going through some stuff right now, so it's just more helpful to do it down there. And that's pretty much about it. Thank you guys for watching, and tune in later. I'll try to keep the videos coming. It's summer, it's hot. That has no excuse to not put them out. So thank you for watching. You guys have a great day and night, whatever. I'll see you.